Hey, Jim Starwalt. I'm here today on the McHenry Riverwalk at the Riverwalk Shoppes. I'm here with Carol Chrisman today. We are at, where are we at?
We're down at the Riverwalk, right off of Riverside Drive. It's 1202, and they're little tiny shops.
McHenry built this as meant for a startup for businesses. You can get your start here before you have a full retail shop.
So they're little incubator stores. So in other words, we had to go through classes through the chamber. We had to do, besides classes, we had to have something that they approved of. It isn't just you make up something. We brought something back and we wanted to try it before we opened a bigger store in McHenry. So a lot of these people are just new, like into stores.
You told me this is your grandson's shop, and he sells, looks like I see disc golf and skateboard stuff, and a little something for everybody. So it's pretty exciting. It's a really cool little place to take a walk.
Yes, and you know what? You'll love it because there's the bread store, Bumlin Bread. Oh, it's so great. You can smell it in the morning.
Yeah.
And then there's the bookstore that we're hoping will stay in McHenry. But you also can go around the corner and there's more going on. But these shops are something that we're going to be here a long time.
You can see all the different shops. They're open Friday, Saturday, Sunday. They've got some different hours. You can check it out. It's a great place to come on the weekend. We love to bring our boat and we park at the end and go for a walk down the Riverwalk, check out the little shops, maybe go have some breakfast in town. I can't wait to see it in the winter. Will these be open in the winter?
Yes, they will. Only till January. Hopefully in the future there's going to be an ice skating rink out in the back.
Oh, that's going to be
Synthetic
nice.
Ice. So,
really?
yes.
That's exciting.
Yes, and that's through the city of McHenry.
Very good. So come on down. We're right off of Green Street. Head to the river, get on Green Street, and come take a walk down. You're going to love what's down here. I'm Jim Starwalt, leader of the Star Home Team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Hopefully we see you down here.